Hi everyone and welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to create this thermometer chart in Excel. As you can see here, this data is automatically linked to the chart, and if you change the data here, for example, the chart will be changed automatically. So let's see how we can create this chart. I created another sheet and I copied the same data here. We have 10 days of sales and we need to calculate the total of the sales. So we are going to use the sum function. We will fix the target here as 2000, and now we are going to calculate the percentage over this target. So we are going to divide the total sales by the target. Here we need to change this type from general to percentage. Okay, now we are going to create the chart. We go to insert, choose insert column or bar. We are going to choose the 2D column. We right click on the chart and we are going to choose select data. We are going to leave the chart data range blank and we are going to hit on add button. Also we are going to leave this series name blank and we are going to choose the percentage cell as a series value and we are going to hit OK and OK again. Now as you can see we have a bar chart. We need to remove the title and we remove this one here. Here we need to remove this gap on the left and the other gap on the right. So we are going to select the bar here, right click, and we are going to choose format data series. In the gap width here we are going to insert a 0 value and click OK or enter. Now the gap is removed. We are going to change the color of this bar. Right click on the bar, go to format series and we choose another color from this palette. We are going to take the purple one. Now we are going to change the color of the plot area, the other plot area here. We click on the white area here and we change the color to yellow or gold. Now as you can see in the axis here we have the data is starting from 0 to 18%. So we are going to change it from 0 to 100%. We are going to remove the decimal part here. We double click on the axis and we choose the number here. In the decimal places we insert a 0. Okay. Now we are going to make this circle at the bottom here. We go to insert, shapes, we select this oval. And we make it here. We are going to change its color by clicking it and right click, choose format shape. Here we are going to choose the same purple. Now we need to remove the outline. In the shape format, shape outline, we select no outline. Okay. Now we need to display the percentage number here on this circle. So we are going to insert the text box. In the function bar here, we insert equal and we choose the percentage cell here and we click enter. Now we have the percentage value here. We make it on the circle. Okay, we need to remove the decimal part from this percentage. We double click on this button and we are going to change the color into white. We need to make this more visible. Okay, so we finished making this thermometer chart. Thank you for watching and see you next video.